What else we got? Oh, it's all my corner, isn't it?
It's in your corner, mate. This is
My corner. Oh, this is a bit funky.
Well, you're going to have to educate me here. I just like the name. Was it?
Thunderbird 2.
Is it Irish?
Well, it was known as O'Louis at one stage. Sorry, what were we talking about again? Whose name? Aloysius?
Yes.
You like his name?
I love that name.
What's his surname?
Parker.
Oh, Aloysius Parker.
He's the driver of the Thunderbirds.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah, he was driving that pink thing. What was it? What's the name of it again? Lady Penelope's car.
Fab 1.
Fab 1, that's right. It's fabulous. Well, this is Thunderbird 2. The most loved aircraft out of the Thunderbird series.
Is it?
Everyone loves it.
I've
Everyone
never-
loves it because you can pick up all the different payloads. And this has got them all in it.
What payloads?
These things.
Why? What does it pick up? You have to educate me. I've not seen Thunderbirds.
I haven't really seen it either, but they go
Well,
around saving the world, don't they?
Apparently you're an expert.
No. So we've got the Thunderbird 2, 3 pods.
Do you know who'd love this?
Who?
Pancakes.
Pancake's got one.
There you go. That's how much he loves it. That's how much he loves it.
So there you go. They're the pods.
Pods.
So that gives you an idea how big Thunderbird 2 is going to be.
Chunker.
It's pretty big, isn't it?
1/350th scale. Well, I've never seen the real one, so I've got no context whatsoever.
So it's a full diorama. You've got the walls here.
What comes to the
we've got
garage?
the base there, yes.
Is it called a hangar? What do they call it?
Well, it would be a hangar, wouldn't it? They call it a launch bay. And there's the guts of Thunderbird 2.
It's almost Australian. It's like green and gold. Not sure about that blue.
The cockpit. The blue bits.
So who drove this one?
I
Or
don't
did
know.
they all drive different ones?
I don't know. No, I didn't really follow it that much. But this is very funky.
I'm
So
not
we're
feeling
having-
the passion. Are you going to put it in the Model Expo?
No. You know what I'm putting in Model Expo. It doesn't even look close to being finished yet.
Well, that's what we thrive on.
That's right.
We
All right,
thrive on.
Thunderbird 2 launch bay. But apart from this, we've got the full Thunderbirds kits range back in stock.
Have
so you
we?
can get the Thunderbird by itself.
Who makes these?
These are made by AIP,
AIP.
Adventures in Plastic.
Oh.
So these are produced by Bachmann, but these are actually the original kits from Imai, which is a Japanese company. So they've been around for a while, and they haven't been regularly available. So they've obviously picked up molds.
So you've
and
had
we're
these
producing
before?
them. We have had them before, but we can't get enough of them.
Wouldn't have had them for 5 years.
No,
Would we?
no.